If you spend any amount of time working on a laptop, you know the frustration of a cluttered desktop, tangled with wires to connect external devices, a lack of charging ports, and no good way to place your laptop in a comfortable position for typing, or even some unexpected situation happens like this. Introducing Mouton, the world's first 13-in-1 USB-C hub and laptop stand. Mouton lets you simultaneously connect to essential peripherals, charge and transfer data across devices, improve your work efficiency and comfort, and finally achieve an organized desk. Mouton provides 13 expansion ports for ultimate connectivity, including 2 USB-C, 3 USB-A, SD micro SD card slot, RJ45 gigabit network, 2 HDMI, DisplayPort, and 3.5mm audio interface. Equipped with DisplayPort and HDMI ports, Mouton can easily connect to a tablet, as well as 3 additional screens. Achieve peak efficiency across 4 screens and instantly boost your productivity. Mouton provides fast charging of dual PD, and both computers and mobile phones can be charged at the same time. With a power supply capacity of 100 watts, you can charge 5 devices simultaneously while still maintaining laptop power. Using the latest USB 4 and USB 3.2 Gen 2, Thunderbolt 3 and 4 technology, Mouton allows you to quickly transfer files, photos, and videos at speeds of up to 10 gigabytes per second. To make working more comfortable, Mouton's stand has infinitely adjustable angles. Whether you want to read, type, take notes, draw pictures, or use an external keyboard with laptops and tablets, Mouton can provide the perfect angle for comfort without putting extra strain on neck, arms, wrists, or eyes. The patented hinge design and silicone material keeps the laptop secure and stable. The hinge system has been rigorously tested over 20,000 times and still maintains top performance and reliability. The surface in contact with the laptop uses a hollow design to help laptops dissipate heat, making it safer for your device and more comfortable for you over long sessions of continuous use. From the latest MacBook series and iPad to all flagship Android and Windows-based tablets, Mouton supports it. Mouton's clever design makes it fast to open or close instantly for easy travel, and you can set up your workspace anytime, anywhere. We are the Mouton team. We have 13-port USB-C hub stand, 10-port USB-C hub stand, and 8-port USB-C hub stand for iPad. We hope you will join us, and together we can elevate your working experience and add convenience to your life. Thank you.